Hello guys, meet the top 6 most handsome male love guests on the Ultimate Love Show Season 1. There were so many handsome guys in the love part which made some of the ladies confused when it was time to pick a partner. Remember, in finding true love, physical attraction is necessary as that is the basis for building love. So I'll be guiding you through my top 6 most handsome love guests on Ultimate Love Show Season 1. They are: at number 1 we have Jerry Mudiaga. Jerry Mudiaga, a former housemate at the love reality show Ultimate Love. Jerry and Meriton were a couple at the reality TV show. Jerry is a 36-year-old male from Ogara in Delta State, Nigeria. Soft-spoken Jerry believes expressing yourself in a relationship is very important. His love language is receiving gifts. He was paired with Meriton. Together, they were called Jerryton. At number 2, we have Ike Nama. The charismatic 24-year-old is from Enugu State. He's clear on one thing: to find his ride or die. His auto-tune voice might be one of his best attributes, but his lips top everything. He is the love partner of Teresa, and together they were called Ike Risa. At number 3, we have Michael Ngene. Michael Onyedikachi Ngene is a 29-year-old broadcast journalist from Enugu State. He said he will never compromise on love and believes that ultimate love is finding someone who can complement his life. He believes one has to be selfless, kind, and patient in a relationship. He was paired with Cherry, and together they were known as Meet Cherry. At number 4, we have Henry Arnold. Henry Olatunde Arnold is a 32-year-old male from Ogun State. He is a lover of food and doesn't play with his egusi soup. As a popular saying, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. He found his ultimate love in Bolanle, and they were nicknamed Bola. At number 5, we have Obichukwu. Obichukwu is a 32-year-old businessman from Imo State. He is more than just dashing, handsome, and suave. He cares for the greater good too, as is evidenced not only by his passion for social work, but also the fact he explicitly mentions what a huge heart he has. He was paired with Ibitenyi, and together they were known as Obiebi. At number 6, we have Chidi Banks. Chidi Banks is a 32-year-old male who was paired with Sylvia. Together they were known as Chivia. Alright guys, this is my list of the most handsome guys in Ultimate Love. This is my top 6 list. I hope you agree with this. If you don't, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And also, please, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.